Do you want your Google TV to turn off automatically at a specific time every day? This is perfect for saving energy or making sure the TV isn't running all night. In this guide, I'll show you how to schedule auto power off on Google TV. Let's get started. First up, open your TV. Then from the home screen, use your remote to navigate to the gear icon, basically your settings. Now scroll down to device preferences and open it. Select timer. Now scroll down to power off time type and turn this on. After that, select auto power off time. Now choose the time when you want your TV to shut down automatically. It can be a midnight or 1 a.m. or any time of the day. After selecting the timetable, your Google TV will now power off automatically at the scheduled time every day. And that's it. With these steps, you can set a specific time for your Google TV to turn off automatically, making it convenient and energy efficient. If this guide helps you out, then don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more Google TV tips and tricks. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and take care.